Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson we are going to study about relation in what? Algebra. Okay students, so before starting today video lessons of relation, we will have to keep it in mind few things. What are? First one is Cartesian product of sets. Okay students, and second one is what? Number of elements of Cartesian product, and from that points we will move towards the relation. Okay students, so first of all we will learn about the Cartesian product of set. So what is the Cartesian product of set? For two non-empty sets, let us see with example. Suppose you have a two non-empty sets like A, suppose A, B and C. Okay students, for two non-empty sets, suppose D and E. Okay student, the set of all the ordered pair of AB. What is ordered pair of A, B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product, and it is denoted by A cross B. It is denoted by A cross B. Okay students, let us see the Cartesian product A cross B. This is what? A, B, C. The element of set B is D, E. Okay students, we want to find out the Cartesian product, and the Cartesian product is to be ordered like A, B. So students, A is multiplied by D, the order pair is A, D. A is multiplied E, A, E. The order pair will be like A, E. Right student? Similarly, B, D. The order pair will be like B, D. Next, B, E. B, E. And C, D. C, D. And finally the last order pair will be C, E. C, E. Okay student, this is what? Cartesian product of two non-empty set A and B, of set A and B, and it is denoted by A cross B, where A belongs to, where all these elements A, B and C, all these elements belongs to A, and this part means first component will belongs to A. First component of this ordered pair will belongs to A, and second component of this ordered pair will belong to B. Okay students, let us see another example. Suppose A is 0, 1, B is 2 and 3. So find out A cross B. So A cross B will be what? 0 will be ordered with 2, 0, 2. Order pair with 0 and 3, 0, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay students, in this way you can get the Cartesian product of two sets. Okay students, now the next topic is number of element of Cartesian product of two sets. So how we can find the number of element of Cartesian product of two sets if the set A has m element? What is? If set A has m element, suppose set A has m element. Okay student, so consider this is A, B and C, and the set B has n element, and set B has n element. Suppose set B P, Q. Right student? Then the number of element in Cartesian product of a set will m into n. So we can write n of A cross B is equal to m into n. So students, here we can write what? Number of element of A 1, 2, 3, and here is number of element of B 2, 2. So students, number of element of A cross B will be number of element of A into number of element of B. It means M cross N. What is M? The element of M means here is 3 and here is 2. So we are getting 6. Okay students, let us verify these things by doing the Cartesian multiplication of two set A and B. A and A cross B. The element of A, B, C crossed with P, Q. Okay students, now we can make the order over here. Order pair A with P, A with Q, then B with P, B with Q, and C with P, and finally C with Q. Okay students, here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of element of A cross B is equal to 6. Now students, moving to the next topic, relation. What is relation? So if you get the ideas about to get the Cartesian product of sets, so it will be very easier for you to learn to understand the definition of relations, algebraic relation. Okay students, here let A and B are any two non-empty set. A and B are any two non-empty sets. Here we have considered two non-empty set like A having the element egg, milk and corn. Two non-empty set, and other set is cows, goats and hen. Then the subset of A cross B. What is subset of A cross B is called the relation A to B. Is called the relation A to B. So relation is equal to A comma B, where first component belongs to A and second component belongs to B. So relation is subset of A cross B. So domain of relation. Domain of relation means component of first component of relation. Domain of relation is what? First component of relation, and range of any relation is equal to second component of relation. Okay students, let us see these things with example. Here we want to find out the relation between A and B. So first of all, taking the Cartesian multiplication A cross B. So egg is multiplied by cow. Okay, we are taking the order pair eggs with cow, then eggs with goat, then eggs with hen, milk with cow, milk with goat, milk with hen, corn with cows, corn with goats, and corn with hen. What is corn with hen? Okay students, from here we will get the relations with ordered pair. Suppose I am taking the relation, what may be the ordered pair of relation? X gives hen. Understood student? Egg, hen. There is relation between egg and hen because hen lays eggs. So we are taking the order pair egg and hen. This is one relation. Now milk, cow. We are taking another relation, milk and cow. Right student? Then corn with hen. Otherwise just we are taking these two only. suppose you are taking these two only, eggs, hen, milk, cows. Okay student, otherwise here is eggs, cow, eggs, milk, corn. So we can take another corn and goat, otherwise corn and hen. Only students we are taking these two relation. So this egg and hen, milk and cows, this ordered pair comes from where? A cross B. Okay, so we want to find out domain of R. Domain of R. Domain of R. So what will be the domain of R? The first component of range relation. The first component of relation may be what? Suppose I am taking egg, eggs and milk. Eggs and milk. This is what? Domain of R. And range, what is? Second component of R. And range is equal to second component, means second component is hen and cow. Hen and cows. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood about Cartesian product, number of element of Cartesian product of two sets, and definition of relations. Students, in our coming video lecture we are going to learn about different types of relations with different examples. Hope you have understood today's video lessons. Thank you once again for watching the video till the end.